Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the E-mini S&P futures. Today is Friday, June 8th, 2012. The market opened up at 1304.5, represented by this white dotted line. We had a gap fill up here at around 1307.75 we were watching. Market continued to sell off. We generally don't trade the first 15 minutes of the day. Coming out of the no trade zone, we had an opportunity to get long. It was a counter trend trade. So when we do a counter trend trade, we'll feel grateful if we get 2, 4, 6 ticks out of that. We got 6 ticks on this trade, and then we ran into our moving average. Notice we moved through our moving average, pulled back, found support, had another opportunity to get long on a trend line wave trade. Continuation of the upside, plus 10 ticks. Went into some sideways consolidation. Remember, from 950 till 1010, we have a type of reversal zone. We then have a trending zone between 1010 till 1025, and in this case, we didn't see any type of trend. But we were watching for this reversal here from 1025 to 1030. At that point, we were looking for all reasons to be getting long. Got an opportunity to get long, anywhere from 6 to 10 ticks in this particular case. Some people may have gotten scared out a little bit early, and if they did, another opportunity to pull back. And at this point, President Obama began to speak. I scaled out early. I took 2 ticks and went to the sidelines, just because you never know what way the market's going to sway based on what he says, whether it's positive or negative news. You just don't know. So in that type of uncertainty, I scaled out with only 2 ticks, but it actually ran in, did a nice completion of our trendline wave trade for a total of 10 ticks. We then don't generally take more than 2 trades in the direction of the trend. However, in this particular case, we tried to do a nice setup for a reversal here just a little after 11:15. Got our first target off and got stopped out for minus 2 ticks before going into the no trade zone. No trade zone runs from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time. We then, coming out of the no trade zone, still expecting to see some type of reversal. This is a little bit premature in hindsight. We tried to get short, got target 1, and got stopped out for minus 2 ticks. Then realized that there was enough strength to the upside, no real reversals, no sellers coming in, had an opportunity to get long. In this particular case, we got long a little bit early, but it matched up with our signals. So we were in long, took a little bit of heat to the downside, did not get stopped out, ran up, got the first target without an issue whatsoever, and then what I said in the room was, I'm going to move my stop down to below this low, and this low is right here at around, 14.5, somewhere around there. We moved 1 tick lower than that. So I did not get stopped out. Some people may have taken a reduced risk stop out. So in that particular case, I'm showing it as either a minus 2, or you were able to hold on running up into, now why did this stall here? 1317 was a key area, a shark band, as well as a Globex range high. So we knew we were going to have resistance. We had our first resistance experience there, second resistance experience, but there was other market internals that were just screaming this thing was going to be going longer. So we held on long enough. Some people scaled out at 1317, some scaled out at 1318, 1319. Generally 2 points through the Globex range is a high. If you scaled out at 1319, fine, but I know some traders in the room actually held on up into the 1320 level and 1321. All in all, it was a great day. Hope you all have a great weekend. To learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, or to get a copy of the Trader Shark Trading Manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you.